Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to do a quick review on my dual ball head action camera suction cup rig that I got from Fantaseal on Amazon. Now, I will start off by saying that the suction cup is pretty powerful. It's made of, I believe, it feels like it's made of aluminum, and maybe some hard plastics, which for me, I'll just say this has worked for me so far. Like, I've seen some of the reviews on it, and some people have had some horror stories, but I took this on a ride. I put it on the hood of my car. Given you should, I do recommend that if you're going to use this, like, it's good to have as your main base mount, but you should see about getting some sort of ties, maybe like some sort of elastic, uh, like band ties or some clips, just to have as a second harness for this, because you do not want to lose your equipment. But I took this on a whole drive. It was about 2 hours from the east side of the Bay Area all the way to San Francisco, up through San Rafael, down through Berkeley, all the way back to the Southeast Bay, and it stayed in place the whole time. I had no issues with it. So definitely make sure that you go through all of the precautions, like cleaning your surfaces, as well as, like, really pushing down, and then doing the suction cup. And I will say that, let's see, I want to be able to show you guys how the setup actually is. So you hold it down and then push it down, and it is pretty, it's pretty sturdy. It's very, like, you really have to put in some effort to get it to flip this switch right here. And then when you've got it secured into place, make sure that all of your all of your things are adjusted and tightened. And then, it's got, you can bring it up. There's, like, it doesn't move in both directions. It moves at kind of like a 90-degree pivot like this at the top, so take that into account. But you tighten it, you adjust it, and I'll pull on this with all my might, and this will not come off right now. I would sooner, yeah, see, I would sooner lift and move my whole metal lockbox right here than the suction cup coming off. So, maybe I've seen some people talk about how, and it's that easy to take off too once you reflip the switch. And I'll show you the suction cup. Really, it really has, it's really thick, so it's not meant to come off. This thing is meant to last you, like, putting it on a car or a boat or on any other metal surface, and it's staying there. But it'll only do that if you prep all of your surfaces. But you should always still, if you can, secure it by other means, so that you have a secondary backup to catch it if it does happen to come off. That never happened to me. I've used it a couple of times, but you never know. Just be smart with your equipment. But I do recommend this if you just want something to put on the side of your car to put your GoPros or your other cameras. But make sure, I would say, the lighter the camera, the better. But yeah, guys, so this is the adjustable dual ball head action car mount by Fantaseal on Amazon.